Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Polka Wallet. So let's get started. Open your Polka Wallet application and make sure that you're inside your wallet. After you are, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the display, tap on Preferences. Now, select the language option. By default, it is currently showing me English as my default language. To change to a different one, go ahead and select the available language options, and once you are done, you'll be able to change your language immediately. So that is how you can easily change language in Polka Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.